Write detailed answers. First question. Explain the difference between potential energy and kinetic energy. What is the question? Write difference between potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay. So what we can write about it? We have to make first two columns. One for kinetic energy. One minute, I'll share one more screen here. Okay. Means you'll get it. Are you able to see this whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now first, we'll see the so take there two columns like as the first one kinetic energy, second one potential energy. Okay, so in kinetic energy we have to write the first definition of kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy definition? Who will tell me?
The capacity of a body to perform work is called its energy, and the energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy.
So in simple way I am going to tell you the objects get energy due to the motion of the object. It's called the kinetic energy, and potential energy it's due to the specific position of object or thing, that is called the potential energy. Okay, now can you tell me kinetic energy's formula? Here you have to write the formula.
Kinetic energy is equal to F into S.
See there, kinetic energy formula is a half mv square. It's kinetic energy formula. And potential energy formula is there, mg. Remember this, okay? And here you can write one example. Suppose about the kinetic energy, a moving car passes kinetic energy. Okay? A moving car is the example of kinetic energy. And potential energy, a book is kept on table. Understood all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I take next question? Or if you want answer from your textbook, we'll see textbook also. Don't worry about it. Now see, kinetic energy definition in front of you. Potential energy, the energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. Okay, and here we can write potential energy is equal to mgh. Okay. Okay. Now about the kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy definition here? Already I taught that day. So what is it? Kinetic energy, the energy of which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. Okay, and kinetic energy formula is there, half mv square. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Some example write by your own mind. Okay, there is no restriction. You can write whatever I told by your own mind. You can write anything. Now, second question we have to see. What is the second question? Derive the formula for kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with velocity v. We have to derive the formula which is present in our textbook only. So here you will get the kinetic energy formula on page number here. Page number 23. Okay, so from this, suppose mass is a m. Okay, so work is equal to F into S. So F is equal to ma. So like this, you will get here kinetic energy formula is equal to half mv square. Got it, students? Yes or no?
Sir, can you tell one more time?
Yeah, expression for kinetic energy, that is a derived for expression or formula for the kinetic energy from this to the this. Here you have tried the answer. You need
Sir,
a
from according to Newton's second law of motion, from there.
no from this. Suppose a stationary object. From here you can write. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Or
Okay,
you
sir.
can start from this also. Let u be the its initial velocity. No problem. Mass is the m. From this also we can write. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the third question? Third question, prove that the kinetic energy of a freely falling object on reaching the ground is nothing but the transformation of its initial potential energy. Now, what is it we have to find? Third one. So we can see this
Free fall.
free fall. Okay. So from this you can write until the year. Okay. Understood all of
Sir,
you?
we have to draw that figure.
Yeah, figure is very important, and one more thing is remain there. So here you have to take from this the kinetic energies and this mass m. From this you can write until this point C. Okay. Got
Sir,
it?
until third example.
Yeah, third answer. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
It's very easy. I am giving directly tick marks, so there is no problem about it. So free fall directly. When question it's little twisted there, you can see that in question what is mentioned here. Prove that the kinetic energy of freely falling object. Freely falling object. So kinetic energy means free fall. Directly we have to take care from a height. Free fall means from a height. That object will be fall downside. It will be released. Then only will get it. So kinetic energy is equal to half into m into velocity square. Initial velocity is 0. So kinetic energy is 0 at point first A stationary point. Then we'll get a total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus mgh. And due to the its state, it getting the potential energy mgh. So we'll get the potential energy mgh for 1. Then we'll take at point B. Okay, for point B also we'll get there same, but height will be changed there. So height is there x. Okay, then x we'll take for B x a or a means here g acceleration due to the gravitational force. Okay, or if that object is under the influence of gravity, that object is under the influence of gravity.
Sir,
Yes. Yes. So like this, we will get at point VB, same thing. Then afterwards, we have to see at point C. Okay. Then everywhere we will get the same equation, and this is your answer of third one. C means question number 1. C. Okay. Then D. What is the D given their question? Determine the amount of work done when an object is displaced at an angle of 30 degree with respect to the direction of applied force. Already we seen in in our this lesson. In example also mention that same thing. Okay. So you can see here. Fs
sir,
cos
you can tell again.
what?
Third number answer.
Third number answer. It starts from here. If we release from this to this, you have right. Okay, understood now? You want explanation? What do you want?
No, sir, understood.
Okay, if you want explanation, then also you can ask me. No problem about it. Okay. Now D. What is D is given there? Question. Determine the amount of work done when an object displaced at an angle of 30 degree with respect to the direction of applied force. Already we have seen here F is cos theta. At starting of that lesson only we seen that things. Yes, yeah. So when this 30 degree cos 30, what will get? Cos 30. So what is the value of cos 30? Do you know? cos 30's value is square root 3 upon 2. Square root 3 upon 2. So here I will write its answer. You can take screenshot uploads, okay, when I will complete the answer. Now here we have to take work done. W is equal to F into S cos theta. Okay. Then theta is equal to 30 degree. Here what given? Theta 30 degree. Okay. Then we can write W is equal to F S cos theta means cos 30. You have to write like this. Then so cos theta's value we know very well. It's there square root 3 upon 2. Getting it? Yes?
Sir.
Then
Yes.
momentum of an object, we know momentum of an object P is equal to, you have to write in words also, okay? Momentum of an object P is equal to mv, okay? Here momentum is 0. Momentum is 0. Okay, then what will get? Momentum is 0, then we will get the velocity is also equal to 0. Why this happen? Because mass of an object can never be 0. Okay. Now kinetic energy of the object K. What we have to take? Kinetic energy of the object we are writing in the formula. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. But if you see now, just we have seen v is equal to 0. Then half m into 0 square 0. What will get kinetic energy? 0. Understood?
Sir.
And then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is equal to 0, then we can say when the object has 0 momentum, its kinetic energy is also 0. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can take its screenshot if you want. You have to write in your notebook. Have you taken it, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I take next problem now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now F1 is given question. We'll read question.
Sir, can I?
Yes, read.
If an object has a zero momentum, does it have the kinetic energy? Explain your answer.
Okay, very good. So question is very simple. Why we have seen now E1 answers. Okay, we have to see if why is the work done on an object moving with uniform circular motion 0. Correct? No, this is the fifth one. Just we have seen D1 answer. Then we have to see F1 answer. Work done on an object is given. What is given there? Work done on an object. So W is equal to work done of an object. What is there? Can you tell me? W is equal to what will be there?
Sir, you are talking about the sixth one. The fifth one is going on.
Fifth one, what is there? If an object,
If an object has a zero momentum, does it have the kinetic energy?
Please students listen. I taken that 30 degree is the fourth one. And then afterwards, just I shown you that kinetic energy, that is zero momentum.
Yes, sir, you have shown.
I have taken that
Yes,
also, zero momentum.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Now we are taking sixth one. Why is the work done on an object moving with uniform circular motion zero? Okay.
Okay.
So work done is given F into cos S cos theta. Regular hour F S cos theta. Why? Because your momentum is given. Okay. In circular motion, you write in circular motion, the direction of force acting on the object is radially inward. Object is circular. Okay. Radially inward. Radially means according to radius. Okay. Here radial means here we have to speak about the radius. And the direction of motion of the object is tangential. Whatever direction of an object is there tangential. Okay. To the circular path at every instant of time. Thus, the angle theta between the force vector and the displacement vector is always 90 degrees. How much it will be there? 90 degree. And that is theta is 90 degree. What will get here? Theta 90 degree. And then we know cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. So we'll get the answer 0. Understood everyone? It's very simple. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll take the question number 2. Choose one or more correct alternatives. And those students are in leaving meeting in middle, don't leave it. Okay. We'll see the second question. It's very easy for you. Choose the one or more correct alternatives. So for work to be performed, energy must be. What will be the answer? Only raise the hands. I want to see only 2 hands. Yes, Priya, Sakute.
Yes, sir. For work to be performed, energy must be transferred from one place to another.
Very good. Is it correct, other students? Chaitali? So, if you see this explanation about it, energy must be. If energy will be not transferred from one place to another place, then their work done will be happen. It will not happen. Why? Because what is our work done? Work done is equal to F into S. Some force should be applied here, and that object or whatever thing should be displaced. Then only that is the work done. So, due to that reason here, transferred from one place to another. See there, concentrated will be not their answer. Transform from one type to another. We are speaking related to work done. Due to that reason, we can't write this answer. When we are going to speak about that law of conservation, that time it's okay. But destroyed, we are destroying it, not. So this answer is correct, first one. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And sir, third one also they have told to choose 2 correct options.
Yeah, yeah.
A transfer from one type to another.
Yes. Now, joule is the unit of. Samruddhi Katori, can you tell?
Work and energy.
Patel Darshita,
Work and energy.
Ayer Sayadri,
Work and energy.
then Om Chalak, Sarthak Chalak.
Work
Very good. Parth, Chaitali, is it correct?
Joule is the unit of work and energy.
Joule is the unit of work and energy. Here you tried 2 options, work and energy. Okay. I'm writing in short, but okay, you tried proper answer there. Now, next, third one. Which of the forces involved in dragging a heavy object on a smooth horizontal surface have the same magnitude? Apeksha Bhandari, what's the answer?
Gravitational force and reaction force in vertical direction.
Okay. Then Om Chalak,
Gravitational force and reaction force in virtual direction.
only 8 students are present with me. Shreya Kale, what is the answer? Utkarsha, can you tell answer? Badakode,
Gravitational force and reaction force in a vertical direction.
very good. So what will get the answer? Gravitational force and
Reaction force in a vertical direction.
yeah.
Reaction force in vertical direction.
Okay, second and third one. Now, power is measure of the Chaitali, what is the answer? Suyesh, Khaire,
The rapidity in which the work is done and the slowness with which work is performed.
okay. Parthrati,
Yes, sir. Power is measure of the rapidity with which work is done and the slowness with which work is performed.
Darshil Gaware,
The rapidity with which work is done and the slowness with which work is performed.
so here your answer is there, the rapidity with which work is done. Okay. And the slowness with which work is performed, that will not here, only just you have tried first one. Okay. Then E, while dragging or lifting on object, negative work is done by
Frictional and gravitational force.
what is it?
Frictional force and gravitational force.
Okay. I want answer from Sakhi. What is the answer?
Sir, frictional force and gravitational force.
Frictional force and gravitational force. Okay. Samruddhi, Apeksha Bhandari, what says your answer is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other students, near about 47 students are present. You have to give the answers. Okay. Manas Vijalte, are you present here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll start. Rewrite the following sentences using proper alternatives. The potential energy of your body is least when you are dash sitting on a chair, sitting on the ground, sleeping on the ground, standing on the ground. What is the answer?
Sleeping on ground.
Sleeping on the ground.
Yes, sleeping on the ground. That
Sleeping on the ground.
yes, we are not doing any work. While we are sitting, that time we are doing some movement or like this. But sitting on ground, sleeping on ground, that time our potential energy is the zero. The total energy of an object falling freely towards the ground. Dash.
Remains unchanged.
Remains un-
Remains unchanged.
Remains unchanged.
Total energy of an object falling freely towards the ground, we have seen it remains unchanged. Then, if we increase the velocity of a car moving on a flat surface to 4 times its original speed, its potential energy
Will not change.
Will not change.
will not change.
Change.
Okay. Why will not change? What is the reason behind it? If you increase the velocity of a car moving on a flat surface to 4 times its original speed, its potential energy will not change. You have given answer. Why? See that whatever car's potential energy, it's remain constant because car speed increases. Car speed increases, its kinetic energy increasing, but potential energy remains same. Correct? Now, next one. The work done on an object does not depend on
Internal velocity.
Initial
velocity of
Velocity
the
of
Wait,
the object.
don't listen.
initial velocity
Initial
of the
velocity of the
Of
object.
the
What I say?
initial velocity of the
Darshil Gauri, what is the answer?
Internal velocity.
Internal velocity. Okay. Now, Saki, tell me why that internal velocity? It's initial velocity. Why it's initial velocity? Diksha Sonone, can you tell? Diksha, Samruddhi Katore.
Because the initial velocity of an object is always zero. So
Yes, initial velocity of an object is always zero, so due to that reason. The work done on an object does not depend on the initial velocity. Now, we'll see the question number 4. Study the following activity and answer the questions. Take 2 aluminum channels of different lengths first. Then, place the lower ends of the channels on the floor and hold their upper ends at the same height. Now, take 2 balls of the same size and weight and release them from the top end of the channels. They will roll down and cover the same distance. So, you have to read this. And then first question, at the moment of the releasing balls, which energy do the balls have?
Gravitational.
At the moment of releasing the balls, the ball having potential energy.
potential energy.
Energy, potential. As the balls roll down, which energy is converted into which other form of energy?
potential to kinetic energy.
Very good.
Potential to kinetic energy.
Yes.
Kinetic energy.
Now, third one, why do the balls cover the same distance on rolling down? Yes, student, this question is actually wrong.
They have the same.
No. This
They
question
have
is
the
wrong.
same speed.
In first lesson only we have seen. When anything or ball rolling down in channel, that time its speed increasing when it's coming downwards. Yes or no? Then it's not possible. It will be cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Why do the balls cover the same distance on rolling down? This question wrong there. What is the form of the eventual total energy of the balls? What is the eventual form of total energy?
Kinetic energy.
Yes, very good. And last, which law related to energy does the above activity demonstrate and explain? Which law is related to it? Who will tell me?
Law of conservation of energy starting potential energy, it is converted into kinetic energy.
Sir, can I?
Yes, you
Sir,
can.
can
Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form into another.
Very good. Apeksha Wonder, you can.
what, sir?
What was the answer you want to tell? That answer you can tell.
Energy
Neither can be.
Okay, Priya Satpati, you can. Parthrati. Now listen answer. Okay. Law of conservation of energy is demonstrated using the activity at the top of the channels. The total mechanical energy of the balls is in the form of potential energy. Now, as the balls roll down, they come into motion. This motion shows the ball now passes kinetic energy. States that a law of conservation, the energy cannot be created nor destroyed. This means this kinetic energy came into existence because of decrease in potential energy of the ball. Also, when the ball reaches the bottom, the total mechanical energy of the balls is in the form of kinetic energy. This shows that all the potential energy of the ball got converted into kinetic energy at the bottom. Okay, students?